Hi, welcome. I'm going to continue with commands. This is the part 2 of it. I have the part 1 already there, so if you haven't watched it, can you go and watch it? This one we're going to start with ping. The ping command you use to check if a server or a website is up or down. Is it running or it has stopped? So we use the ping command to check those things. Alright, so first of all, let me check my IP address. So I can use netshare command to check my IP address. So netshare interface netshare alright, so interface. Okay, so to show IP address, I will use the IP show address. Yeah, alright, so this is my IP address: 192.168.77.1.148. so this is my subnet prefix, and this is the main machine IP address, and this is my default gateway. Okay, so now my IP address is up and running. I have internet access, so let me ping my IP address and let's see if it will go through. So I'll just copy this, then I will exit from here. Yeah, you see we are going to use ping, so ping, then we bring our IP address. Let me paste. Yeah, enter. Yeah, see we are getting a reply. Get a reply when we ping our IP address. It means it is up and running. If it was supposed to be off, let's try any random IP address like this 7. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, you can see this one says unreachable because the computer doesn't know what that IP address is. This is also a private IP address, so it's supposed to be on the same network. Okay, so this is how the ping. We can ping non-stop. For example, let's say we are doing something on a specific machine. You want to make sure that always the machine is up and running, so we can give the system a command that continue pinging, don't stop. I want to see if the network is flowing or my connection is good. So let's try how to do continue pinging non-stop. So let me close this. Alright, so to do that we use -t with the ping command. This one will ping non-stop, never stop. So ping non-stop, always checking every seconds the system app. So there is it when we want to check for systems whether they are up and running or they are down. You can also use this to check for websites, but we don't have permission to do this. So okay, let me try this website. I think this website is for educational purpose. So let me close this, then ping this website, ITsec. Let's see if this, yeah, we are getting a reply. It means it is up and running. You can ping google.com, any other website to see if it is up and running. We don't have much permission to do so, so we will leave it like this. So this is how you can check if a website is up or down. We can also use trace it. It's like a Windows version of trace route. You can also use this to trace the path to a favorite website that we normally visit. So let me clear the screen. Okay, so trace it. Go add trace it. We want to do it faster, so -d says tracing route to itsecgames.com, giving us its public IP address. Yeah, so it's running. Can wait for a while this one runs. So this one shows you the route that you go through for you to get something from this website. What seconds will you wait? What minutes? How many minutes will it take you to visit that site? That's it for the trace it. Alright, the next command we are going to talk about is netstart. The netstart shows which device you are connected to or which networking device is connected to you. Alright, so this is how we can use the netstart too. The netstart Next start is not recognized as an internal or external net. Oh, okay, I made a mistake. All right, so let's wait for a while. Show us which device is connected to us, or which device are we connected to. So now I only have one device that I'm using, that's my computer. Only one IP address is now showing. You can see the port 2 is here, then another foreign address and the state, time, weight. We can use this to check for open port 2 when we add -af with net start. Yeah, so this the port that's open. So the state is listing, so we are waiting for a connection. So if you know the meaning of this port, you can use it to communicate with this machine. This is how the net start to work. You can also use the net start with -o to show a process ID for the connection, so that if you want to delete some connection, we can delete it using tax kill, the previous command that we learned. So let's try that one too. Yeah, you can see the PID is here. So when we want to kill a task, we can use the process ID to just kill the task. So task kill, then we specify the process ID to kill the task. Alright, so the next command is route print. This shows the route our computer takes to get to a certain network or gateway. So let's say we have different devices on this network. How many routes will my PC go through before it can communicate with a certain gateway or with other network? Alright, so let's move to that one too. Alright, so route print different commands. Yeah, so we can see we have active route, persistent route, that's none, network destination, network mask, interface metrics, giving us the IP version for route table. Yeah, so all these are information that as a hacker or as a systems admin you have to know all these things to help you troubleshoot network and other problems. So you can use the route print to show the routes that the PCs go through. We have IP version says route 2 here. Alright, so this is it for today. This is the small one that I wanted to add to the previous powerful commands that we learned.